Dash fellows, again you are seeing me again and again. Pressing no option C. One of our student Priyanka Murmur, she got a job recently in one of the company as a software test engineer. Now how she got the job, what hard work she did to get job. Let us listen from our only.
My name is Priyanka Murmu and I am from Niketan. I came to the test further in the 2023 December and after coming to this further, I just selected for the software testing course and later after that I just tried again and again for the many companies but getting only rejected. But finally I got the selection and in this part my journey was very good. First, I was not very good in communication. Later, I again and again by trying and just keep trying for the communication, and I just got the result. That's all. Thank you.